We are making stir-fried tofu with veggie for your vegetarian meal prep. Let's prep and go with these Lee Kum Kee sauces. We've got a veggie stock, sugar, salt, and pepper. We add Lee Kum Kee premium soy sauce. So now we add Lee Kum Kee vegetarian stir-fried sauce. Cut all the vegetables. Yellow capsicum, red onions, green beans, spring onions, and we cut mushrooms. Cut the tofu in thin slices. So put the oil inside. We add all the firm tofu, all golden brown. So now we take it out. Hot enough, we put the oil. We put the garlic, followed by the onions. Add capsicums, green beans, mushroom. And then we add the tofu in. So lastly, I added all the seasoning sauce. Add everything combined. Spring onion on the top. So now we garnish with spring onions.